The Israel Defense Forces (IDF) on Saturday local time said that Iranian missiles are now capable of reaching distances of nearly 4,000 kilometers, placing major European cities such as London, Paris, and Berlin within range. The statement highlights growing concerns over the expanding reach of Iran's missile program. In a post on X, the IDF noted that during Operation Rising Lion in June 2025, it had already identified Iran's intent to develop long-range missiles with such capabilities. It added that the Iranian regime had denied these claims, even as evidence suggested otherwise. The IDF stated that Iran has launched a long-range missile for the first time since the start of Operation Roaring Lion, reinforcing its concerns. According to the Israeli military, Iran's missile ambitions pose a threat not only to the Middle East but also to dozens of countries across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Calling Iran a global threat, the IDF said the regime has already carried out attacks against 12 countries in the region and is now developing capabilities that could widen the scope of risk significantly. Meanwhile, the Consulate General of the Islamic Republic of Iran in Hyderabad warned that failure to intercept missiles in the heavily fortified Dimona region would signal a new phase in the conflict. In a post on X, it said such a scenario would indicate that Israeli skies are defenseless and hinted at the implementation of further pre-planned actions. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu reaffirmed Israel's resolve amid the escalating situation. In a statement issued by his office, Netanyahu described it as a difficult evening and expressed concern for those injured in Arad. He said he had directed officials to provide full assistance, praised emergency responders, and urged citizens to follow safety instructions. He reiterated that Israel remains determined to continue striking its enemies on all fronts.